Hello guys, there we have a Electrolux oven SteamBoost COB8S39WZ, and today I will show you all of the cleaning programs in this device. So to open it, click on the trim button and choose cleaning. As you can see, now we have the drying mode and it's take 20 minutes. The tank emptying, it takes 6 minutes. There we have a steam cleaning and steam cleaning plus. The steam cleaning plus takes 1 hour and 50 minutes. We have also the desk cooling, and it takes 2 hours and 40 minutes. And the last program, it's a rinsing, and it takes 32 minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.